ASMR Studios, and I'm going to show you how you can make a killswitch-like sound with just stuff you can find on any normal guitar or most guitars. You need 2 dials, you need 2 knobs, and a dial, which comes with every guitar. Some have like 3 settings. I have 5. 2 dials, 2 knobs, and so what you need to do is, first off, set, and I know there's some guitars with like 3 knobs and some with 4. If your guitar has an even number, I would say turn half all the way down to the other half all the way up. If you have 3, I would say experiment with having 1 all the way down, the other 2 all the way up. Just experiment a bit. Basically, for this, you'll only need the last 2, like basically setting 1 and setting 5, or for some other guitars, setting 1 and 3. You can do some little. If you have it all set up, you can kind of do something like this. And here's kind of the differentiation. On, the difference. This is on. This is supposed to be the off sound. On, off, on, off, off. You can also do a little drumming kind of thing. Going to Amarillo. And a little gain on your amp wouldn't be that bad. So, glad I could help. Thanks for your time.